All right, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. It is early, and once again, it is super foggy. I kind of like it. It's fall. So today's video is about the back of this truck. All right, so we have some plans for the back of this truck, and it involves us taking off this F-150 badging. Now, I like this badging, so I kind of don't want to take it off, especially now with the Rocky Mountain Graphics sticker that I put over it. Check out that video. So especially with the sticker I put over it, I kind of don't want to take it off, but I kind of have a choice for the project we have here, so let's do it. And y'all, it's so foggy that you can't even see the airplane. No clue where it is. First step, we're gonna wash it. We're gonna wash it because we want to make sure we don't damage the paint in any way, shape, or form. So first thing we're gonna do is wash it. You wash it, you heat it up, and then you use fishing wire. I have my pocket. Use fishing wire, and I already got some to kind of fish it off. Now, I was told you could also use dental floss. I didn't know that. I already bought this whole pack of fishing wire, so I'm gonna use this. I don't have a heat gun, so of course we have a blow dryer. Next step. What we did was we heated it up to make sure the body of the truck is hot. We heated it up around the edge. Now we got our fishing wire. I got a whole roll of fish. If anybody needs any fishing wire, hit me up. I've never been fishing. I got a whole roll. Hit me up. One down. Got all my letters off. There's still a lot of double-sided tape left. Surprisingly, it just comes off, honestly. Kind of just peel it off little by little. So a couple of tips I'm gonna give on this. When you pull off your fishing wire, first of all, get the whole roll. I see it, okay, get the whole roll, because it broke. The fishing wire broke every so often. It kept breaking. It broke on me like 8 times. So I had to keep pulling pieces off, cutting it, and starting over. Now, I don't know if I got the cheap one or the right size, but this is the size I got. I don't know nothing about fishing, nothing. So this is the size I got. I got this from Walmart. So anyway, also pull off enough so that you can wrap it around your finger. That you can wrap it around your finger like this, both sides, so that you have enough leverage to actually pull and grip at the same time. Last but not least, don't be afraid to heat it up again. Every time I heated it up, it came off easier. So even now, to get these all this double-sided tape off, I'm gonna heat it up again and then try to work it with my fingernail. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, that was gonna take me all day. So, I have another plan. Alcohol. We are almost done. You can still see the outline of where the F-150 was. There's still some leftover tape on it that I'm having a hard time getting off. So I use rubbing alcohol on it and learn from my mistakes. Let me tell you what I did wrong. Learn from my mistakes. I used my fingernail a little bit to get the tape off. Bad idea. there's scratches in the paint. Okay. As I was saying, y'all see this bird is right there on top of this house? Really? Anyway, so I used my fingernail and it did scratch up the paint a little bit. I didn't think my fingernail was strong enough to scratch up paint. I really didn't. But as you can see here, it is a little scratched. Well, you probably can't see it. I also noticed this dent right here that didn't notice before. I guess the emblem was kind of hiding it. I used an old t-shirt, which was probably also a bad idea. But I couldn't find a microfiber cloth, and then when I got done, I found a microfiber cloth, so whatever. So we're gonna work on this a little bit more with some more alcohol and an actual microfiber cloth and see if we can get the rest of this off. So make sure you don't use anything that's aggressive, anything that's stronger than your fingernail or stronger. Don't use it. Please don't use a screwdriver, no trim tool removal kits, even though they're plastic, don't use those because they will scratch it up. So the interesting thing is that when I look at the truck now, it looks clean. Like, it looks really clean. I kind of like the clean look. It does seem like something's missing over here because I remember what was there. This looks out of place. It's the Flex Fuel badge, which I don't actually need either, but I don't know if it's worth the energy to actually move it. So I kind of like the clean look in the back. For now, we'll see. So thank you for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. Easy way to remove whatever you don't like, whatever badging, whatever decals you don't like on your truck. Easy way to do it. You can do it at home. Fishing wire, rubbing alcohol. Just take your time. Use a little bit of elbow grease, and don't use anything aggressive on it. Fingernails, screwdrivers, trim tools. So thank you for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. If you got anything out of this video, please like it, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Does it look cleaner now, or should I left the F-150 on? Now, as I said, I do have plans for the back of the truck, so stay tuned for that. Till next time, thank you for watching.